Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A 4-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, October the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. The binary and the 4-star Sudoku. I have not so good news, because in today's newspaper I've showed you earlier we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, 380 days ago another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel, and the war is still going on, yes. And those poor people in Gaza, yeah, they are suffering with hunger. And I believe yesterday the Israelis, they has bombed a city, or yeah, a village, I don't know. 87 people are dead. Yeah, they killed 87 people, civilians. Yeah. The most of them are children and women. Nasty war. All right, back to the puzzles. This one will be number 94. Correction, 9465. 9465. Before start, I always counted printed digits. Also 26 printed digits. Same as before. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24. This one has 2 digits more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. Or 2 stars. So let's get started. 1, okay. Let me see. In this column we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 9. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, on that column, the only place left, the 2 should be there. Then, let me see. I think there's 6 there. Need a 1 here. Well, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. Then the 5 here. Need an 8 here. 8, 3, and the 6. 8, 3, and 6. Okay. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left of the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square. 4 number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. So 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. 4 number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3, 3. I need also a 6. Need also an 8. 8, 8, 3, 8, the 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, and look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 5. 5, 5. 5, 5, need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. 5 and 6, 6, 6, need a... Yeah. 4, 3, 5, no, 4, 3, 2, need a 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, and I need an 8, 8, 8, come on, this is taking too long. 1, need a 6 there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6 here. 3, 4, and the 2. 3, 4, and the 2. 2. 7, 1, 9. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. We need an 8, we need a 3, and we need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 2. Could be a 2, 4, 3. 2, 4. Need a 3 here. Come on. 8, 3. No, 8, 4. 8, 4, 2. Yeah. 7. 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. 1 there. 1 here. About the 5. Yeah. In this column, we have a pair. Two of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. So the 1 and a 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. And look, we have 1 and a 5 in this row, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the second column? For numbers, the 8 is missing, and the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 8 and the 3. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. So need a 3, need a 4, and I need a 2. Well, we have 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be there. 3, 3. 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. 7. Come on, come on, come on. Need 2 here or there. I need a 2 here. I need a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So the 8, the 4 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 8, 3, 4. 8, 3, 4. Well, 4, 4. How about here? The 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3 are missing here. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. Come on, come on, come on. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Same for the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only, oh, we already have a 1 here. No 1 here, no 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 3. I need a 3 here. I need a 6. 6, 6, 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 4. Need a 5. Need a 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between the only place left. 2 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 6 and 8 here. Well, we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box can be an 8 or more. That box should be an 8. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6, 6, 6, 8, 8, need an 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 5, we have a 1 in this one, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this one, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4, the 9, 4, the 9. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. I know 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finishing 16 minutes. We solve it again, Definitely a 2 stars, not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. 60 minutes, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.